Chapter 1: Revolutionizing Healthcare Through Artificial Intelligence. Section 1: Introduction to AI in Healthcare. The convergence of artificial intelligence, AI, and healthcare marks a paradigm shift in how we approach medical diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. In this chapter, we embark on a journey to explore the profound impact of AI on the healthcare landscape. We delve into the foundational concepts, historical context, and the remarkable potential AI holds for the future of medicine. Section 1.1: Defining Artificial Intelligence. The opening section of this chapter elucidates the diverse facets of AI. AI is not a monolithic concept. It encompasses various approaches such as symbolic reasoning, pattern recognition, and machine learning. We explore how these elements synergize to tackle complex healthcare challenges, ranging from diagnosing diseases to optimizing treatment plans. Key concepts. 1. AI spectrum. From narrow, task-specific AI to broad, human-like general AI, we unravel the spectrum of AI capabilities. 2. AI categories. Understanding supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning as tools for addressing healthcare issues. 3. Expert systems. Insight into AI-powered systems that emulate human expertise in medical decision-making. Section 1.2: Origins and Evolution of AI in Healthcare. This section delves into the historical roots of AI in healthcare. It traces the inception of AI applications, their rise, setbacks during the AI winter, and the resurgence that characterizes the contemporary healthcare AI landscape. Key highlights. 1. Early diagnostic systems. A deep dive into landmark systems like MySyn, which demonstrated AI's prowess in diagnosing complex medical conditions. 2. Knowledge-based systems. Examining systems like Internist One that laid the foundation for integrating medical knowledge into AI algorithms. 3. AI Winter and Renaissance. Understanding the factors leading to the stagnation and revival of AI research, with a focus on healthcare applications. 4. Evolution of AI techniques. Exploring the transition from rule-based systems to data-driven machine learning approaches, revolutionizing medical imaging, drug discovery, and patient management. Section 1.3: AI's Current Impact and Future Potential. In this section, we illuminate the present-day achievements of AI in healthcare, showcasing tangible applications that have transformed patient care. Furthermore, we explore the ethical and regulatory considerations inherent in AI adoption and provide a glimpse into the groundbreaking possibilities that lie ahead. Key exploration areas. 1. Medical imaging advancements. Analyzing the role of convolutional neural networks, CNNs, in revolutionizing medical image interpretation and diagnosis. 2. Drug discovery revolution. Investigating how AI accelerates drug discovery through simulations, virtual screening, and precision medicine approaches. 3. Personalized treatment pathways. Unveiling how AI leverages patient data to create tailored treatment plans, predict disease susceptibility, and enhance patient outcomes. 4. Administrative efficiency. Exploring AI-driven solutions for patient interaction, resource allocation, and hospital management optimization. 5. Ethical and regulatory landscape. Navigating the intricate ethical challenges of AI in healthcare, from bias mitigation to patient data security, along with evolving regulatory frameworks. Section 1.4: Envisioning the AI-enhanced future. The closing section of this chapter takes a visionary stance, imagining the potential of AI as an integral part of healthcare's future. We contemplate advanced applications, human-AI collaboration, ethical innovation, and technological breakthroughs that could redefine healthcare delivery and outcomes. Key visions. 1. Futuristic applications. Envisioning AI-powered nanorobots for targeted drug delivery, AI-augmented surgical procedures, and brain-computer interfaces for neurological disorders. 2. Harmonious collaboration. Exploring scenarios where AI acts as a collaborative partner, complementing human medical expertise in diagnosis, treatment planning, and research. 3. Ethical innovation. discussing efforts to develop AI technologies aligned with ethical standards, building trust and responsible AI integration in healthcare. 4. Technical challenges and breakthroughs. Investigating challenges such as AI model interpretability, data interoperability, and potential breakthroughs that could reshape the AI healthcare landscape. Conclusion. Setting the stage for in-depth exploration. As we conclude this chapter, we recognize that AI has already begun to reshape healthcare. From historical endeavors to the present-day triumphs, AI's potential is vast and transformative. This chapter serves as a foundational platform, propelling us into the subsequent chapters where we dive deeper into specific applications, technologies, and ethical dimensions of AI in healthcare. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.